What's up, traveling family? Thanks for tuning in to another episode. If you are like me and you love being outdoors and you love traveling, you especially need what's inside this package. My friends over in Bandana.com sent me this to review specially just for you. And if you stick around to the end, I'll provide you with a discount code for your orders. Oh, wow. Wow. Wait till I show you what's inside. That is impressive. This is arguably the best presentation I have seen. It even says best wishes on it. We have these 4 individual little boxes and we have a nice sticker. And inside we have a wonderful, we have 2 actually, wow. 2 tubular bandanas. Let me tell you the first thing I noticed as I put this on. It's made from a really thin material that doesn't feel very heavy, nor is it very tight. So you actually have a little bit of space to breathe. And that's really key when you're outdoors, especially if you're doing something active like riding your bike or hiking. This is really nice. And it breathes. It actually feels almost kind of cool. Cool to the touch, cool to the skin. If you've seen my videos before, you definitely know that I love to wear bandanas. I usually wear them around my head like this because I love the sun protection. I'm not really a hat guy. I can tell you it feels really nice. It's not tight on the skin. The second one has more of a mountain design. You can see kind of like a mountain and a lake here. And I like that because, you know, as you get older, you maybe don't want a big silly face staring at you on one of these bandanas. So this is kind of just different and nice. You can see the material is stretchy, okay, and it definitely has that ability to move around you and breathe. Sometimes I wear this as like a sweat rag, so I sort of wrap it around my wrist. And as I'm hiking or something, I use it just to wipe off my sweat because it's really light. And you can literally just tie it up like that. It's no big deal. But you can also wear them as face covers. You can just wear it as a simple bandana when you're exercising. Generally, this will be good for biking or sports if you're trying to avoid getting sweat in your face. So here are a couple advantages of using Bandana.com. So the first is they provide excellent quality and original designs. I mean, you just don't see this in other products out there. And again, I really like that. The other advantage is that you can actually customize these for group activities. So say you're doing a hike of 10 people up to Nepal, or if you have a big group family event and you want everyone to walk away with something that's unique to your family. You can actually customize these to meet whatever design you want, and within 10 or 12 days, they will deliver the final product to you. I mean, that kind of turnaround with that kind of customization is unique. You really won't find that anywhere else. So if you like this product, please visit Bandana.com and you can use my exclusive discount code Igor15 for 15% off your purchase. I wish you a wonderful season of travel, adventure, being outdoors, enjoying time with your family, and using something like this because honestly, it can make the difference of an enjoyable trip or not. Good luck to you guys, stay safe out there, and I'll see you from the next destination. Bye-bye.